Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Substack, updated. First, sign up with your email and choose a memorable newsletter name, then complete your profile and bio so readers know who you are. Next, select your publishing cadence and basic settings, including privacy and subscription options. Finally, connect any social accounts and import an existing list if you have one to jumpstart your audience growth. Write with your reader in mind and break content into digestible sections so people can skim easily. Use headings, bullets, and images to make key points stand out, and craft a compelling subject line that increases open rates. Preview posts on both desktop and mobile to ensure formatting looks good, then schedule or publish at a consistent time to build audience expectations and momentum over the coming weeks. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides for creators. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading long-form newsletters offline and on the go, making it easier to catch up on posts between drafts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Decide whether you want free, paid, or mixed-tier content, and explain the value of each tier clearly to readers. Price paid subscriptions fairly, and consider limited-time offers or bundles to drive early signups, while using previews to tease exclusive content. Use email sequences to onboard new subscribers and re-engage lapsed ones, and review analytics to adjust pricing and content based on what resonates most with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.